James Hawker is my name, I poach most of my life. And I don't care what the landlords say, I'm gonna poach until I die. Caught the foxes in their earth, the badgers in their set. Well, I even caught a couple once, he walked into me net. Poach, poach, a man's gotta poach, here's the reason why. If we don't poach, we don't eat, we fade away and die. Well, the gentry, they own all the land and they never miss a trick. If you try to poach their game, they'll have you in the nick. It ain't so very long ago, as you will recollect. If you took the gentry's air, you know they'd hang you by the neck. Poach, poach, a man's got to poach, and here's the reason why. If we don't poach, we don't eat, fade away and die. Good working men will turn to drink, their sorrows for to drown. They piss away half of their wage down at the Rose and Crown. If only they would poach with me, put their beer mugs down. Pheasant or a brace of hare would earn 'em half a crown. Poach, poach, a man's got to poach, here's the reason why. If we don't poach, we don't eat, fade away and we die. Now the gentry, they're a sorry lot, full of human greed. They always take the greatest share, not just what they need. So don't it make you sorry, lads? Ain't it a blooming shame? The rich get all the pleasure and the poor gets all the blame. Poach, poach, a man's got to poach, here's the reason why. If we don't poach, we don't eat, fade away and we die. Poach, poach, a man's got to poach, here's the reason why. If we don't poach, we don't eat, we fade away and we die.
Arise, my love, shake off your dream this May morning so early. Accept, I pray, this tree of May that here stands flowering so rarely. My window I shall not unbar, nor rise the maid to greet, sir. Go plant your tree where'er you please, go plant it out in the street, sir. Arise, my love, shake off your dream this May morning so early. Accept, I pray, this tree of May that here stands flowering so rarely. But if along the Lord's highway I set it up to flourish, the winter's night is long and cold, the tender flowers they will perish. And if they die, dear love, the tree to church I shall be carried, and laid beneath a briar rose shall blossom where it lies buried. Here stands flowering so rarely. my shoe sole, your soul in my territory. I'm the maid and the mill and the corn grinds well. Oh, the Millery Court, the maid by the shin. What you call this, my dearest? The Millery Court, the maid by the shin. What you call this, my dearest? Oh, this is my shin next to my shoe heel, your heel in my territory. I'm the maid at the mill and the corn grinds well. Oh, the Millery Court, the maid by the knee. What you call this, my dearest? The Millery Court, the maid by the knee. What you call this, my dearest? Oh, this is my knee right next to my thigh, your thigh in my territory. I'm the maid at the mill and the corn grinds well. Oh, the Millery Court, the maid by the waist. What you call this, my dearest? The Millery Court, the maid by the waist. What you call this, my dearest? Oh, this is my waist, young miller, make haste and we'll dance in your territory. I'm the maid of the mill and the corn grinds well.
Chant no more your rhymes about bold Robin Hood. His feats I but little admire. I will sing the achievements of General Ludd, now the hero of Nottinghamshire. Brave Ludd was to measures of violence unused, till his sufferings became so severe that at last to defend his own interest he roused, and for the great work did prepare. The guilty may fear, but no vengeance he aims at the honest man's life or estate. Wrath is entirely confined to wide frames, and to those that own prices abate. These engines of mischief were sentenced to die by unanimous vote of the trade. And Ludd, who can all opposition defy, was the grand executioner made. Employed, he himself to no method confines. By fire, by water, he gets them destroyed, for the elements aid his designs. Whether guarded by soldiers along the highway, or closely secured in the he shivers them up by both night and by day, but nothing can soften their doom. Let the wise and the great lend their aid and advice, nor ever their assistance withdraw, till full fashion established by custom and law. And the tree, when this just contest is o'er, shall raise in full splendor its head, colting and cutting and squaring no more shall deprive honest workmen of bread, shall deprive honest workmen